Hey everyone, this is David from Train Day, and today we're going to go from PDF slides or Google Slides or whatever you got, even from Canva, into a SCORM file, right? And we're going to even add some presenters using AI. So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I'll show you real quick. I created this nice little slide presentation on math, just really quick on Canva. So here we are, very quick right here. And I'm going to go ahead and create a project. Well, actually what I'm going to do is import a PDF, right? So I'm going to click import a PDF, and here's my PDF that I did in Canva. You see, here's what it looks like. You can kind of go through it, and this is what we're going to use. So this is going to convert it into a course that we can use in Train Day. We're going to add some presenters, generate the slides, and then export it into a SCORM. We'll even add some quizzes, right? So here we go. Let's grab this one. And we're just going to use the AI to write a script for us, right? So let me just refresh this one time. There we go. Now we see all our slides. I'm going to edit it. And I'm just going to use the AI prompt to say, right, an intro to our math lesson, right? And maybe we could put like a middle school, right? Whoop. We'll just let the AI create a nice little introduction for us. There we go. Talks about algebra, different kind of things like that. Now let's select a presenter. You know, you can always bring in your own presenters, create your own presenter, all types of stuff, right? So here we go. Let's just put them right there. Now if we generate the slide, it'll look just like that, which is fine. That looks perfect for us. You know, you could translate it 30 different languages if you need to. For this one, we'll just generate this one as it is. So we'll just click generate slide. And that should only take about 10 minutes, right? Should be super easy. Now for this next one, today's lesson, let's say if you created like different types of lessons, you edited this, right? You had some themes on it, right? Let's say, right, a simple lesson on algebra, right? Let's say intro to algebra, right? Let's see what it comes up with now. Here we go. Okay. So let's select another presenter. Let's just pick the same one. Let's go ahead and generate this slide. Let's just take this part out, right? Let's take the intro to algebra out, right? And you know, you can always edit this slide with different shapes, colors, videos, whatever you want to do, right? So let's generate this slide. Here we go. Let's refresh this. And now we're going to add a quiz, right? We're going to generate questions for our quiz. So on this slide, what I want to do is add a quiz. Here it is right here, and we want to generate some questions. And I want to generate questions based on this slide right here. So I'll just select this slide. I'll click next. And let's say I just want 5 questions. So it's going to generate 5 multiple choice questions on that slide, which is about the introduction to algebra, right? There we go. And here is our multiple choice questions about algebra, right? So there we go. We got our quizzes. We got our slides. You know, you could translate the quiz 30 different languages if you need to. But right now, we're just going to let our slides generate. And when it's done, we're going to export it into a SCORM file. All right, so our slides are done. Now we're going to export it into a SCORM package, right? So here we go. Here's our project. Let's check out what we ended up with. Here's our first slide.
Welcome to our middle school math lesson. Today, we will be diving.
All right, let's see about our second one.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols and letters to represent numbers and quantities in equations and formulas.
There we go. And then we got our quiz, right? So let's just export this into a SCORM package. We're going to select this slide first, this slide, and then our quiz. And we're going to go ahead and create our document. That should only take a few minutes. And then we're going to use SCORM Cloud to see the final result, right? So let's download that. And let's just put this on the desktop. Now we'll go to SCORM Cloud. We'll say import a SCORM package. We'll click Browse. And we'll click on this. And then we'll import the course. Let that load and we'll see how everything works out. Here we go. So our thing is loaded. Let's launch it. And let's check it out. Alright, so here's our course in the SCORM.
Welcome to our middle school math lesson. Today, we will be diving into the world.
Go to the next slide.
Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols and letters.
Next one, and of course we got this quiz. We're just going to guess on it real quick. No, let's do that one. We're just going to give our best guesses, right? Submit answers, and we got 80%, so not bad. We'll click next, and you should see all the information in the SCORM, right? Or in the LMS. So you got complete, 80% on your score, and it took 37 seconds in the course. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and can't wait to see what you build with SCORM packages and Train Day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.